Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. This is Lian from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will show you how I made triangle, blue and green epoxy resin coasters. Also, I'll be adding these natural mineral flakes and really fine gold glitter. So, the first thing is to divide the resin and add the colors. And this time I decided to go with this lovely blue. As you know me, I love my blues and greens. And the resin that I'm using today is resin from Just For You Online UK, and it is with the purple label. So for my main pot of resin that's left over, I'm adding a green tint and a bit of this fine gold glitter. And I would like this to be quite transparent, and we'll see what's gonna come out when poured. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like. And if you like videos about resin and everything connected to resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays, so there is always a new content for you to see. And now back to the pouring. I start with my blue. I go around the edge and then I will add the green and mica flakes. And then we gonna let it to do its magic and see what we gonna get. So I will put some music in a background and let you enjoy this process, and see you in a bit. And that's done. Now I let them to cure and cover them so no dust or debris comes. And this is the next day and they are nice and cured, and we're gonna demold and see how they look. They are quite transparent, I can see already. And let's turn around. And yeah, not too bad. And you know what they really remind me of? Can you guess? They remind me of the northern lights in the sky. And the glitter is like a star. And yeah, as I like northern lights, I like these coasters as well, how they turn out. So the next part, and I will show you in this video, is I gonna paint the edges gold. So this is my top coating and painting place, and yes, the paint I'm using is from Resin Pro company, and this is their gilding paint. And I am using an old gold pen that's finished long time ago, and I find it the best because it's really easy to get this edge really neat and nice. So as you can see here, I have quite a lot of bubbles that I didn't manage to kill while it was in the mold. Because as well, this resin is quite on the thick side, so the bubbles easier get trapped, and you need to pay attention that you try to get rid of bubbles as much as you can. So that was that, and now I'm on to the sides. I don't really do strokes because then you can see the stroke marks. I try to tap and dab, and that way I get even coverage. And here they are all finished. And they really remind me the northern lights in the sky. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!